Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for your aim review. Is it worth it? Start by testing your sensitivity, smoothing, and crosshair placement in a controlled routine. I walk you through simple adjustments, show how small changes affect performance, and explain why consistency beats flashy settings. Stick with the process for measurable gains, and I promise practical tips you can apply immediately to see clearer results on your next session. Choosing the right sensitivity and smoothing can feel personal, but there are clear principles to follow. I explain how to test sensitivity with short flick drills, why minimal smoothing preserves fidelity, and how DPI and FOV interact to change your aim feel. You will learn quick checks to tell if a setting helps or hurts, and a simple experiment to find a sweet spot that fits your playstyle and hardware. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for relaxed reading during practice breaks and fits easily in gaming bags. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want a comfy page turner between sessions. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. A reliable routine makes testing settings meaningful rather than confusing. I outline a warm-up with tracking and flick drills, show how to record and compare runs objectively, and explain why changing one variable at a time reveals real impact. Follow the routine for several sessions, track progress, and avoid chasing instant miracles so you build steady, measurable improvement that feels natural and sustainable in actual matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.